Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of American Eagle. So let me take you to the website, which is ae.com. For the ones who don't know about them, American Eagle is a US clothing retailer founded in 1977, offering casual and trendy apparel for teens and young adults. Known for its denim, it also operates Aerie, a body positive sub-brand focused on intimate and activewear. It has a global presence with physical stores and online shopping. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, shop as your heart desire. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from them. Is it possible? Of course it is. Simply join the affiliate program of American Eagle, start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and guess what? Start earning commission. So let's learn more about the affiliate program of theirs. Who can join the affiliate programs of American Eagle? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. Regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to earn commission? Well, it varies, and we will talk about it shortly. So, how do you join the affiliate program of American Eagle? For that, let me take you to the website called someone.com, and on the commerce affiliate side of it, you'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, which will take you to the registration page of Sovan or Sovan Commerce. Now, why are we talking about Sovan and what it has to do with American Eagle? So Sovan is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliate. That means if affiliate want to join the affiliate program of different brands, they have to join the respective affiliate network. So in our case, you have to join Sovan Commerce affiliate as an affiliate. And don't worry, it's free of cost. You just simply click on the link in the video description, which will take you to the registration page, which will look something like this. And you can fill up the form, get yourself an affiliate account with Soman Commerce. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when creating or signing up for an affiliate account, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to sign up and use an affiliate account of Soman Commerce. You'll find a link in the video description as well. Click on the link, go through with the video, get yourself an account, and learn how to use it. Once you have an account, again, come to the website, hover over sign in, go to Someone platform, which will take you to the login page, enter your credentials, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to find the affiliate programs of different brands as well, but in our video, we will only be talking about American Eagle. For that, you can click on approved merchants, which will take you to this section. And once you're here, you can search for American Eagle in here. Let me do that. You can wait for it to load. It could take a few seconds. Once it's loaded, you can search for American Eagle to the search bar. Just type in the name followed by an enter, and then you will see some affiliate programs. Over here, you have to go with American Eagle Outfitters. You'll see commission rate between 2 to 5%. So when you click on this, you will see the details about the affiliate program. And if you scroll down, you will see filter CPA programs by country. So if I click Canada, I could see the commission rate is 2%. And if I click on Mexico, the commission is between 4.5 to 5%. For UK, it is 2%. And for US, it is also 2%. So that means depending on the consumers, let's say if I bring consumers from Mexico and if I bring sales from these consumers to American Eagle, I could get anywhere between 4.5 to 5%. Same way for Canada, UK, and US, I could get 2% of the sale amount. So this is how commission rate would works. And if you want to know more, just click on network rates. You will have some ideas from here. And then if you click on domains, you will see you can create tracking link or on which of the domains, the website basically, then countries as well. Now, let's say you have tried it all and you want to join the affiliate program. Usually what happens whenever you join an affiliate network, you have to separately apply for the affiliate program. But in Someone Commerce, you don't have to do that. So long as you got the approval from someone.com or Someone Commerce, you could find any brand affiliate program and you can simply create tracking link and start promoting them. So how do you get your tracking link? You can't just take any link from the website and promote them. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get it? Again, over here, click on create link. And let's say you want to create a tracking link for this URL. Just paste the URL in here. Let's give it a name as an AE website. this is totally up to you, whatever name you want to give. You can also choose additional tracking options if you like. These are optional. You can also go with advanced settings. Again, these are optional. Once you've added the URL, give it a name and click on create. Now, what this will do, this will create a tracking link for you. And let me show it to you. See, this is a tracking link. If I click here, it will redirect me to the American Eagle website. So this is how you can create your tracking links. Now, all the links that you have created, you can click on create links and you would be able to see your affiliate tracking links that you have created. Now, you have learned how to create tracking link. The question arises, how can you promote American Eagle? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one of the ways is you promote them on website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, just put the advertisement somewhere on the website and it could work. People would come to your website, they'll see the advertisement, they would be motivated to click on it. And when it brings sales to American Eagle, you'll get the commission. Then comes your blog. Let's say if you have a blog, you could write blog posts about different products of American Eagle, put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post content. And this way, when people will click on the tracking link, again, they'll make the sale, you'll get the commission. Second way is social media. Well, this would be great because social media basically allows you to create different kind of content. You could create video, reels, posts, and basically write different stuff about the product of American Eagle and put your tracking link somewhere, either your post, reels, or videos, and it could work in your favor. And the third way, which I think would be better here, is the fashion and apparel website. Now, people would come to fashion apparel website to learn about different fashions out there. Maybe you create different sections for each different brands. Let's say you got a fashion and apparel website, create a section, just call it fashion. When people would go to fashion, they'll see different listing of different brands, and one of them would be American Eagle. When they will click on American Eagle, it will take them to all the products of American Eagle. But yeah, you would have to do a lot of exercise for that. You would have to create such kind of battle links, and you have to find the related products, images, and all that as well. But once you have integrated something like this, it could be good for you as well. It could bring sales to American Eagle, and you will end up getting commission out of it. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. But whenever you're promoting them, ensure you're only promoting them on the channel for which you have created tracking link for. Again, to show you that, so we went on American Eagle Outfitters, and when you click on create link, you see there's an option for site. So that means if I have created my tracking link using this site, I would only be able to promote them on the site available. And whenever you want to add more site, you can simply go to your settings and you can add more site to your So Commerce account. Now, let's say you have learned how to promote them on your approved site. The question arises, where would you see your performance? For that, let me take you to the dashboard once again. And once you're here, you can go to analytics. And over here, you can go to overview. You can run through different date range and you can see your performance in here. Now, what about the commission? How will you receive commission from So Commerce? For that, whatever commission will be there, So Commerce will receive from American Eagle and they will pay out the commission to you. But you have to have your payment details up to date. For that, you hover over your account in here, click on account and click on payment, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can update your details, which will then allow you to add more details like your payments. You would have an option to either select check, PayPal, wire transfer, or local bank transfer. So you can choose any of these payment method. And once you have updated that, you would be able to get commission from So Commerce, assuming it accumulates as $25. So Commerce won't be able to issue the commission to you unless the accumulated commission exceeds $25. So this is how you find the affiliate program of American Eagle. You create tracking links, you start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of American Eagle. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.